What's the realization when we say we don't need the government or we still need the government? We still is if they are afraid of you, if you will afraid that the government will against you, because we still needed a leader. There are stages which is, even though we are awakened today, later on, because evolution is there, stages of learning is there, people needed still to have a leader to stand for them, and that leader should know how to one part is advise, motivate, and to govern the place, or to leader the place, the people, because of that levels of understanding, levels of growth, levels, not every person is the same. That's why we have different kinds of professions today. Psychiatrists, psychologists that will guide and helps a person that cannot stand by its own, a leader that can stand by its own, at least to be leader for the people, an engineer, the doctors, what's those what's their work, what level are they, that in some point they should help one another also, not against one another. That's why we are chaos today, because they are against one another. People against the government against the people, those professions against the professions, in the customers or clients or the services itself. Sometimes, yes, teacher is a guide, but sometimes are the ones, the number one to misguide the students. And the students is the one who is against the teacher, or the one who are, so they destroyed one another. And to fix that, we have to know our identity through spiritual and physical, emotion and physical. We have to know how to express ourselves in the proper way. Got our purposes in the proper way. Think of others, not of ourselves, because we became self-centered. That's why no real leader, no real professions, no real person. The authenticity itself is gone. Only few I can see. We only think of the money itself and power. It doesn't consider the spirituality and why we needed God in our life. That's why there are crimes, right? Because we forgot that we needed God in our life to protect us from bad thinking. Then we'll say words, then do it in action. So I hope you got what I mean. What I meant. Or my message. That we need one another. There's no point in destroying one another. If we are because this message always come to me that why government is against or doesn't want his people to perspire abundantly and prosperity because the government doesn't want to learn that people can't do it. That's why you, the government, will get this opportunity while they are awakening to fix yourself and start to guide them. Learn the proper way. Learn what is bad and good. Then if you learned, implement the proper way. There would be a comparison of bad and good, but level that. Then why? We should change. This government should be got the point, which is getting the opportunity that people are awakening. Then go along. That's power. Right? That's the connection that you are seeking, being a leader to people. But still, if they didn't understand, well, chaos will always be there. What's the problem from the very beginning? Will be problem all the time. Even though generation are going to change, because am I not going to be old, or those old people will not perish, I can say. Then we will be old and there are some humans or soul will come back or will be born. To be a new generation and the future generation. If we still be like this from the very beginning until now, the new generation will always be also same cycle, same always, same every time, no end. Even though the buildings, the evolution, the technology upgraded, but same people of what's their attitude, quality, characteristic through physical and spirituality. They always will be give chaos to one another, destroy one another, don't help one another, be bitter person to everyone. A cycle that never ends, as it says.